We are Social Blade.
There's a little bet going on, I guess, by a company called Confused.com that I guess does insurance rates. You can compare it between different sites. Anyway, they're warning, or at least predicting, that sometime in the near future, if you are a Twitter user, or especially if you're a Foursquare user, and other sites that list your exact location, that your insurance premiums, home insurance premiums, might be raising. This is a story from a British company, so they're saying by 10 pence, which I'm not too familiar with British currency.
Holy
but
crap!
I think that's not too much. Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah. Anyway, what they're basically...
Give me a second. Let me. I'm trying to Google pence real quick. Go ahead. Continue.
It's less than a quarter.
Yeah, go
Okay,
to
pence is less than a quarter.
xe.com.
Got it.
Yeah.
It used to be that it was about a dime. Things changed.
Yeah. Anyway, what they were saying though is that there's the location-based services like Foursquare and even Twitter, with them logging your location into your profile, with some Twitter clients doing that. They're saying that people will know when you're away from your home, so it just is an invitation for them to come rob you. Basically, it's easier to rob you if they know you're not home in the first place. So,
Please rob me. .com.
That
Yeah, their
you
Twitter
laugh,
account
but
actually got suspended,
yeah.
if I'm not mistaken. There was a hashtag going around, "Please rob me," and it was kind of a joke to some people. I even saw our good friend Andy, Mr. Babyman Scorsini, using it. And but it only takes one person to really get robbed until people start saying, well, the novelty's kind of worn off, and bam, no more Twitter account.
Oh no, I actually did rob some people using the search.
Oh, Jaden, let's he's robbed me, helped somebody.
Hey, look,
But,
we can go rob Nash Abed. He just left home and checked in less than a minute ago to Subway. So there's your opportunity right there.
The average Subway sandwich run lasts approximately 8.5 minutes. Let's go, guys.
That's what kind of creeps me out about Foursquare. It's like when I'm on Facebook and it pops up, like, so-and-so is at Bagel's Diner on the corner of 4th and 5th. I'm like thinking that's kind of creepy. A lot of people can take advantage of that and like stalk you and hunt you down or go rob your house.
I've always said if I don't get a death threat now and then, I'm not reaching enough people.
Quiet, I'm gonna kill you.
See? There it went. I'm good for the day.
But in general, though, I mean, because last week when we had Reg on the show, he really was pretty gung-ho about location-aware applications such as, Foursquare, GoWalla, stuff like that. And, and he's talking about how, a lot of the Twitter applications and a lot of companies from a web presence perspective are kind of moving in that direction.
Oh yeah.
But something to think about is that with location awareness comes a certain liability that you better choose your Foursquare friends wisely. In terms of who can see where you are when you check in, when you're not home, because it's all info that in the wrong hands could be taken advantage of.
One thing that they
Agreed.
recommend, and I recommend also, don't post your home address on these things. Don't ever check into your home. Check into your library or your bookstore, coffee shop, whatever. But don't check.
I use Ergos.
Yeah, don't check in at
Wait,
home.
but then how do I become mayor of my house?
It's not worth it.
It's not worth it. Okay, it's not worth it. I'll remember that.
Dang it.
Nice.
All right, note to self. Change mayorship.
I just wanted to be a mayor of something.
Or your address.
Well, hurry up and do it before you get married, Victor.
Cool.
Oh.
Invading the internet, covering Web 2.0, coast to coast, worldwide, and everywhere in between. This is where you put the social in social media. We are Social Blade.